Today we will be discussing the use of footnotes and endnotes, the main difference between the two, and how to insert in LibreOffice Writer. Generally, footnotes and endnotes serve the same purpose. They can be used to include material that's supplemental or explanatory to the text itself, references to background materials, and sometimes bibliographic information. The main difference between the two is the location. Footnotes appear at the foot of the same page where the reference appears on the page, and endnotes appear at the end of the document. Footnotes and endnotes are numbered differently so they don't cause confusion between the two. So, to insert a footnote, then choose Insert, Footnote and Endnote, Footnote. You'll notice that it puts a little 1 superscript next to where you had your cursor, and at the bottom of the page it actually puts a little number 1 and then ready for you to type. A second footnote, as you can see, the footnotes are placed on the foot of the same page where the reference is. Now I'm going to insert an endnote. So again, insert, footnote and endnote, endnote. This time it has actually inserted a lowercase I, and it's actually at the end of the document it's created the endnote. If I were to insert another footnote between the two footnotes I already have, the previous second footnote is renumbered to 3, the new footnote takes number 2. To delete a footnote, select the reference and hit delete. The note in the footer of the page or the end of the document is also deleted.